Hey guys, it's Tori. So I know I don't look my best right now, but we are going to just do a little get ready with me / doing my makeup. I have no clue what I want to do. I just want to look pretty, and this not so pretty. So that's what we're doing today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, I primed my lids with my P. Louise like I always do, and I think today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I think I want to go for this middle row right here. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just kind of like winging it, not like literally, well maybe, I don't know. I just feel like doing my makeup, and I have on like a really cute outfit. I'm not going anywhere today. I just kind of felt like looking cute, you know? We all, I feel like, have those days. So I'm just kind of embracing it today. Trying to decide what brushes to use. Like, all my favorite brushes are dirty. I really need to clean them today. Maybe I'll do that. We will see. But I think I'm gonna start off with Peach Punch, and I'm gonna just put that all over my crease. School has been insane. I've literally had so many tests, and my third 9 weeks just ended. So I didn't have school yesterday because it was like teacher work day or whatever, and today's Saturday. I think it's the 20th, but today's March 20th, Saturday. I had work last night. Even though I didn't have school, I had work, and school's just been crazy, and I've had work lately. I've been getting back into working, and I swear if I'm like not at school, then I'm hanging out with my boyfriend or friends, and I don't know, I've just been really busy, and my life has been crazy lately. Not like crazy things happening, just I've been crazy busy. But I like being busy, but I love my days where I just like don't have to do anything. So like, even though today's like my free day, my boyfriend is coming over, so like it's technically like I'm still doing something, you know? But I'm just like excited to see him. I haven't seen him in a couple days, and now I'm gonna go in the shade Just Right. But I haven't seen him in a couple days, and the next 2 weeks we're both going to be kind of busy. He has work a lot this coming week, and then in a week from today I have spring break, and I have to split my spring break between my mom and my dad. So my little brother will be coming to my mom's house to spend the first half of spring break here, and then I'll be going to my dad's house for the second half of spring break. On Easter, I'm supposed to finally be getting my car, and I'm so fucking excited. I have had my license since October, and I haven't had my own car yet, so I'm thrilled to finally have my own goddamn vehicle and not have to share it with my mom, because it's the most obnoxious thing ever to have to share a car with your mom. It's so fucking annoying. Like, we have to work around each other's plans. Some days she wants to take us to school, some days I have to drive to school, and it's just like really unorganized and really annoying, and it'll be nice to have like a little more freedom. Now I'm gonna be going in with my ColourPop Super Shock shadow, and it's the Raw Beauty Christie collab. This is the shade Mycelium, I think. I'm just gonna go pop this on and like do liner, lashes, all that stuff that I usually do off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the eyes. This is not exactly what I planned on doing when I sat down, but it got very burgundy, and I don't know. But the lashes I'm wearing are Russian Volume from Kiss. They're super long. Like, these are some big ass eyelashes, so I don't know. Also, I self-tanned last night, and you can see I missed like the section on my arm, and I did the same shit right here on this arm. I literally don't know how I did that. I might have to like self-tan this part, because that is really bad. But now I'm just gonna do my skin, and I kind of want like super dewy skin. So I'm gonna use my Glow Recipe dewdrops and my serum, and I'm just gonna mix those. I saw Michaela do this like 2 months ago or something, so I ordered the products. I'm also going to be using the Jaclyn Hill face products today. I got those a couple of weeks ago and I really like them. You guys know I love Jaclyn Hill. I wanted to order some of her lipsticks, but the lip liners I wanted sold out, and I wasn't just going to buy liquid lipsticks because I don't even wear liquid lipstick very often. But I wanted to get the ones that were like Jaclyn's favorites. So I wanted butter pecan and cupcake liners, and then I think it was I'm a Cancer and Outspoken were the liquid lipsticks that she said she likes a lot, and I wanted them. But the lip liners literally sold out in like 30 seconds. I had them in my cart and I was like checked out. I put in all my information and everything, and when I hit purchase, they sold out. So I was like, yeah, I'm not just gonna buy 2 liquid lipsticks. I might as well just wait until either she has a restock or they come to Ulta, but they're not coming to Ulta until May, which is kind of like booty hole. I'm not that thrilled about that part, but it is what it is. I'm gonna be using a new foundation. I've used it a couple times, but I really like it. It's the new Urban Decay foundation, and I have it in the shade 20 Fair. Since I'm self-tanned now, I hope it matches. I've been like struggling with getting my face products to match me lately, but I really like the way this looks on the skin. It's like so pretty, and I want my skin to be really dewy today. So I'm gonna use cream products, and then I'm gonna use the Jaclyn powder products on top. But I just want my skin to be dewy and healthy looking. So I really want to go to Dunkin' and get coffee. I've been wanting coffee for like 3 days, and my mom's out of town right now, so I don't have the car. So I'm gonna have to walk if I want Dunkin', which is not like a far walk. It's probably like 15 minutes, which like isn't bad at all in my opinion. But I love this foundation. It's so pretty. I heard a bunch of people talking about it, and so I ordered it, and it's only $28, which is like really inexpensive for a high-end foundation. Most high-end foundations are like really ridiculously expensive. But I plan on ordering some new makeup soon. I ordered the Natasha Denona, I think it's like Diamonds in Bloom palette. It's 50% off right now at Sephora, and so I ordered that. And then I have some Ulta gift cards, so I kind of want to spend them. Going in with my Fenty contour stick, and I know that looks like really dark, but when I blend it out, like this stuff blends out a lot. Like it blends into like nothingness. Not like literally nothingness, but it blends out super sheer. So I always kind of put a lot, and I go over the front of my jawline just a little bit, just to sharpen it up a little. This is cream blush, they're not really new anymore, but the new-ish ones from e.l.f. I haven't really used them much, and I have no clue what shade this is. It doesn't even say on here what shade it is. So I think it's either Turks and Caicos or Bahamas or something like that. I don't know, but I'm just applying it with my brush, and then I'm gonna go in and blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade Butter to set my face after I put on concealer. Okay, so I set my face and everything, and now I'm going with the Jaclyn blush and bronzer duo in Warm Flush and Golden Goddess. So I'm gonna apply the bronzer. They look like this. I think I got like the 3rd or 4th shade. something like that. I think that the products are super pretty, and I definitely think that they're worth the money. I've heard a few people complain about like how clunky the packaging is, but like I don't really care because it has a really big mirror and I like that, and I feel like the packaging is very Jaclyn Hill, so I feel like it just kind of makes sense for her brand. I am gonna do, I think, some fake freckles. I am gonna blend it, don't worry. Ow, I hit my knee on my desk. But I think I'm gonna do some fake freckles, so I'm gonna have to do those before I put on blush because it just looks a little more natural if you do them before you put blush on. And now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Soft Brown Freckle Pen. I ordered another one of these because I think mine's starting to dry out, but I just dot it all over my face. And I know my freckles, like when I do my fake freckles, they do not look like what people consider like natural freckles. Like I know that's not natural. I just like them that way. And they don't like blend out a lot really. Like I just went over them and they don't look that much blended. I'm so sorry about the loud TV in the background. I told him to turn it down, but little brothers don't really listen. You know, that's just how they are. And he's 13, so he just like thinks he knows everything all the time. But I'm just blending those out a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in. My nose is super ridiculously dry the past couple months, but I'm just gonna put some on my nose. I love nose freckles. Like I just love freckles in general. And then I go up on the center of my forehead, right above my brows a little bit. Dab those ones out. I just think that like if you don't put any, like if you put them on your nose, you need to put a little bit on your forehead because then they really do not look natural in my opinion. So that's what the freckles look like. See, they're not like crazy. I don't know, some people might not like the way I do them, but it's my face, so it doesn't really matter. But now I'm gonna go in with my blush right here, and I love a lot of blush. So this is a bit of a like buildable formula. It's more thin, so I kind of have to go in with like a lot of product. Like I go in with a lot of product, and then blend it into the bronzer a little bit and blend it up onto my temple just a bit. And I will blend it out a little bit with my powder brush because it's a little intense, but I'd rather build it up a lot and then blend it out because blush fades first. Like out of all your makeup, blush is the first thing to fade. And I'm not exactly sure what that is because I feel like blush is like super pigmented, but I just really love a super blushed look. That's just my personal preference. Everybody has a different preference. And I put a little bit on my chin just so my chin doesn't look so white. And I put a tiny bit in the center of my forehead just for those freckles. And then go back in with my powder brush and just blend it a little bit. I don't want to blend it too much because then I'll just have to go in and put more blush on. So I just kind of go over everything a little bit. It also helps blend out those freckles just a little bit. The Mood Light, I think that's what these ones are called, and I got the shade Do Me. I love the packaging, and I also got, oh, that's the wrong drawer. I was like, where's my highlighter? I opened the wrong drawer. I just reorganized my makeup. But I also got one of the like powder highlighters in the shade Iced, and these, like, the packaging is just insane. I already have one of her like mini loose highlighters. I got that when they first dropped for the holidays in 2019. And this is like a super light dewy look with like, the loose, like the setting powder, I guess. She just like kind of puts it all over her face. I just kind of put some right here just to like, I don't even know, I guess add like a lit from within look, and then I'll go in with the super blinding highlight on top of it. You don't have to do it like this. This is my personal preference. We all do our makeup differently. That is fine. We don't all have to have the same preferences. It's kind of the fun of makeup, but it just adds like a really pretty lit from within glow. And then I apply this on my chin, just because I love to be dewy. And now I'm going in with my iced highlighter. It is beautiful. This is the lightest shade, and I pack not too much on my brush, but a good amount. But these are super, super blinding. Like, they're stunning. I really want to get the shade Sparks. It's sold out on Ulta right now, but the second it restocks, I'm gonna buy that. And I also really want to get the new Good Apple foundation from KBD Beauty, because literally everyone is obsessed with it and it just looks so stunning. Michaela likes it. You guys know I love Michaela, so if she likes something, I'm gonna buy it. That's kind of how it works. I'm very easily influenced by TikTokers and YouTubers that I like, and everything I've tried that she recommends I've loved. So if she likes the foundation, I'm pretty sure she likes the foundation I'm wearing today actually. So if she likes the foundation, I'm gonna buy it, because I love to test out new foundations. I switch up the foundation I wear all the time. I have so many foundations and I love to just like wear them and try out different ones. I love this highlighter. It's literally so pretty. Okay, this is the finished makeup look. I just used my Benefit brow pencil and my NYX brow glue for my brows, and then I used the Sky High mascara for my lower lashes, which is what I always use. So this is the look. I also used my all-nighter dewy setting spray to set my face, but other than that, this is the look. I like it. I don't love it. It's just because I didn't plan on doing like such a burgundy look, and that's just kind of like what happened, but it's still pretty. I really like my skin. I love the freckles. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.